I will show you guys how to connect the charge station bureau with the Wi-Fi. First, we go to the app, charge station. So you will see the new station setup. Go to new station setup, and you will read all this and you continue. So first, you connect to the station Wi-Fi. Go to the Wi-Fi and just wait a second. This is the Wi-Fi of my bureau. Click it in. After it connect, you can choose the connect only this time, and you go back to the app. Wait a second. Go back to Wi-Fi setting, connect without internet. Go back. Okay, they show up. Please wait while we're connecting. Now they're connecting to station. They show connected. This is the connected from the phone to the Wi-Fi of the charger. Now you need to connect the charger to the Wi-Fi, the home Wi-Fi. So you click to Find Networks. They will show up the whole Wi-Fi. Sometimes they're not showing up. You have to redo it again. This is the third time I'm doing it. So I choose my Wi-Fi. Click my password. Connect. And you will see the light turn white and they dim. That means they're starting connecting. Connection successful. Click to continue. Now they ask you to open the Ford Pass. This will add the charger to the charger station on the app. Click next. So they show a connection lost. So click got it. And you can go back right here and go to the charger station again. Now they connect. You can go setting. So the max charger current before is 80 ampere, and then I click back to 60, and now they cannot return to 80. That's why I reset the whole thing. Now let's see, they let me go to 80. Save. You see, the charge station the red failed. So this is where I stuck. But this is the whole thing. The way I connect to the Wi-Fi, right to the charge station. You go to 4+, you go to the account, scroll up, you will see charge station. Click to the connection. Now they show connection lost again, and you redo it again. Just one more time. Hopefully, no, it's okay. Damn, this shit. Okay. This says your charger station wasn't able to connect to the server. You should still be able to check while we try to reconnect it. I think it's working. Yes, it's working now.